If I get this job, everything changes. Operation, don't mess this up. Tell us about handling pressure. I got this under control. This counts, right?
You're hired.
Wait, seriously? You ruined it. I improved it. So, employee discount? Subscribe before he finds another alarm.